are going to share some views on Dr. Raja Ramanna. Dr. Raja Ramanna. So let's begin. Raja Ramanna was a renowned Indian nuclear physicist. He plays a pivotal role in the nuclear test, leading to the nuclear force program. He was born on January 28, 1985 in Turbur, Karnataka. He earned his PhD degree in nuclear physics from King's College, London.
A literacy soul. Raja Ramanna was just a man of number. He was a man of words. He had a biograph from a dry scientist. And written with a red poet.
डर जा रुक जाता है वैसे ही मत की शुरुआत होती.
Raja Ramanna received several awards including Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. He passed away on September 24, 2004 in Mumbai. He was a visionary leader with a scientific mindset.
Raja Ramanna's contribution to Indian nuclear program were instrumental in making a country a nuclear power. He worked under the Homi J. Baba, the architect of Indian nuclear program. He played a role in the development of India's first nuclear reactor, Apsaraj.
Ramanna's leadership was crucial in the success of India's first nuclear test.
Ramanna's leadership was crucial in the success of India's first nuclear test, Smiling Abutta, which was conducted in extreme secrecy.
Ramanna's legacy extends beyond the scientific achievement as he inspired the generation of Indian scientists.
Raja Ramanna was a brilliant scientist who made significant contribution to the Indian nuclear program. Ramanna joined Tata Institute for Fundamental Research in 1949 and worked under Homi Jahangir Baba.
जो ज्ञान को सेवा बनाते, जो शक्ति को संयम सिखा दे, वो वैज्ञानिक नहीं, वो राष्ट्र दिशा दे दे.
He later became a director of BARC and plays key role in the nuclear energy development. Ramanna received several awards for his contribution. He was a true patriot and dedicated his life for India's service. Dr. Raja Ramanna was a true patriot and dedicated his life for India's service.
Raja Ramanna was a key member team that designed and conducted a split crisis. Raja Ramanna was an education plan the with great skill.
Ramanna worked on a nuclear physical cells was ground nuclear energy development. विज्ञान हाथों में नहीं दृष्टि में बसता है. जो भविष्य देख सके वही इतिहास रचता है. Legacy. The integrated human of philosophy of oneness. Ramanna did not believe in compartmentalizing the brain. To him, the scientist who look at through a microscope and who performing the same act of worship. The scientist as a seeker. He was not as a ritual, but as a sadhana, but as a spiritual discipline.
Raja Ramanna believed that the research of the ascetic man lead to better problem solving in the life. He felt that specialist education produced brilliant but narrow mind. The architect of silent revolution in education, the NIAS vision. When he founded the National Institute of Advanced Studies, NIAS, his goals were radical. He wanted to take senior bureaucrats, scientists and social leaders and force them to talk to one another. He turned the scientific discovery into national confidence.
Now here we are showing our scene on Dr. Honorable Raja Ramanna. So let's begin. So now introduce the characters. Manas is going to play the role of Raja Ramanna. Shrisa is going to play the role of young Raja. Ritesh is going to play the role of scientist 1. Atharva is going to play the role of scientist 2. Tejas is going to play the role of scientist 3. Bhagyashree is going to play the role of Mother India. Pushkar is going to play the role of opposition leaders. And we both are going to play the role of anchors. So let's begin. The student rows on the stage forming the map of India. India needs faith, India needs science, India needs vision. Young Raja enters sharply. When others are One man search for purpose.
I don't want to be famous, I want to be useful to my nation.
सपने अपने लिए हो तो छोटे लगते हैं, सपने अपने लिए हो तो छोटे लगते हैं, देश के लिए हो तो इतिहास बन जाते, देश के लिए हो तो इतिहास बन जाते.
The lab fast action. The lab fast action.
Scientists put tasks like equations, solve problems and argue loudly. Time is less.
Resources are limited.
Pressure is too much. Radha Ramanna enters sharply.
Pressure creates diamond. Pressure creates diamond. And today it will create India. And today it will create India. Excuses delay nation. Discipline build them. Discipline build them.
Complete the challenges. Complete the challenges.
Opposition leaders storm in.
Stop this. Nuclear power is dangerous. Nuclear power is dangerous.
Crowd noise, scientist hesitates. Crowd noise, scientist hesitates.
Danger lies not in power. Danger lies not in power. But the danger lies in begin work. But the danger lies in begin work. खामोशी मेरी कमजोरी नहीं, खामोशी मेरी कमजोरी नहीं, बल्कि यही मेरी ताकत है, यही मेरी ताकत है.
Scientists clap rhythmically. Scientists clap rhythmically.
Heartbeat sound countdown by the chorus. Heartbeat sound countdown by the chorus.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Light flicker, drum rolls.
Let this power protect peace. Let this power protect peace. 3, 2, 1.
Bright light, sudden silence. Bright light, sudden silence. India didn't shout, India arrived. India didn't shout, India arrived.
Message to youth. Message to youth. Students rush forward.
Sir, how do we become great? Be honest in effort, be fearless in thought, and be selfless in action. And be selfless in action. True scientists are humanity. True scientists are humanity, not ego. Not ego.
नाम नहीं, काम बोलो. देश के लिए हर दिन कुछ नया बोलो. देश के लिए हर दिन कुछ नया बोलो. Everyone standing straight line and says. Everyone standing straight line and says. Think for India, work for India, life for India, life for India.
A strong nation is not built by minds, but by the brave minds and the pure hearts. But by the brave minds and the pure hearts.
No pieces,
No celebration.
only action. The chorus moves like cyanogloric steps.
Let discipline do to talking. Let discipline do to talking. For India.
For India, for India.
He did not ask for applause. He did not ask for applause. He gave the nation strength. He gave the nation strength.
A nation becomes great when its youth duty choose comfort. Choose comfort.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. अपने हौसलों को मत बताओ कि तुम्हारी तकलीफ कितनी बड़ी है. अपनी तकलीफ को यह बताओ कि अपना हौसला कितना बड़ा है.
विज्ञान की शक्ति से जिसने भारत का सम्मान बढ़ाया, पोखरण की उस धरती पर जिसने परमाणु का परचम लहराया. डॉक्टर राजा रमन्ना की सोच ने देश को नई शान दी. अपनी मेहनत और लगन से उन्होंने देश को परमाणु शक्ति की शान दी. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता. हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Before we make our story possible.
Thank you to our chief guest. Thank you to our chief guest who became present today.
Sir, ma'am, you didn't just bring present today, but you bring a motivational hand for us.
Thank you to our esteemed chairman sir. Who is the brighter lamp of KDP Institute.
Sir, you didn't just build a school, you build dream of directions. Inspiration.
Thank you ma'am for inspiring us. And shaping our future with your dedication.
Ma'am, you didn't just teach us discipline and courage. Ma'am, you teach us values. Ma'am, you didn't just teach us from books. You teach us life lessons. Dedication. And thank you to our parents for becoming our supportive candles.
A warm thanks to everyone.
ऐ मेरे वतन मुझे तेरी कसम हम अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे अब तलक जिए बस तेरे लिए मर जाएंगे वंदे मातरम 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 चले आंधी चले तूफान उठे बढ़ता ही रहे तू रुके नहीं जब तक है फलक जब तक है ज़मीं मेरा दिल ये कहे कभी झुके नहीं बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम और रुख मोड़ दिए तूफानों के चट्टानों को धूल बनाया है दुश्मन हमको ना भूलेगा उसे ऐसा सबक सिखाया है मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम जीवन जो मिला था हमको ये वो देश पे हमने वार दिया जो